back to my channel. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I will be doing a huge Shein haul for you guys today. And if you guys want to see what I got from Shein, then just stay tuned to keep on watching this video. Okay, so before we go into this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Also comment down below, let me know if you like any of my items. Everything I got will be in the description box below. I think I did get I got about 30 to 40 items altogether. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as well. And we just gonna jump straight into this video. It's so hot. This is the big old box I got from Shein. It is humongous, okay? I'm so excited to see what's all in this box. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. So the first thing I'm going to start off with all the accessories like purses. I bought some purses, some lashes, and I think anklets. So I'm going to start off with the accessories first, then we'll go into the clothes. Do I see all of these packages? I got a whole mountain of clothes right here. Like, okay. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is these lashes. Those are cute. This one is kind of too fluffy for me, so I don't think I'm going to use these. They too long and fluffy, but they are cute. Next thing I got is just 2 gold anklets, 2 silver anklets, and I also got these 3 purses. So tiny. It's cute, but it's very tiny. It is cute though, still. I believe it does have a strap. Yeah, it's a strap in the middle of the purse. The next purse I have is this chocolate one. This is really pretty. I love the chocolate look. It really looks like chocolate. And this is how it looks. And this also has a strap in the middle as well. The last purse that I have is this green one. How the green one looks. And it also has a strap in the middle of the purse. So, got all of the accessories out the way. Now we gonna get into the undergarments. I did buy some undergarments from them. There's some nude seamless panties, and they all are like nude colors. I think these are thongs. Is these thongs? They gotta be thongs. I think these is thongs. Oh my god. They're so cute though. It's a whole bunch of nude colors. You see the color scheme. Yeah, these are cute. They just say Shein on the front. I hope that I can fit them. I did get a large. I do normally wear a large, so I hope that they do fit. But I did not realize that these were thongs. Okay. I'm gonna have to try these on off camera. Let you guys know if I can fit them or not. Okay, so the next item I'm opening is this. Oh, these like satin night sets. Satin night sets. So it comes in brown, like a rose goldish color, and gold. So these are like the night sets if you were to sleep. Let me open them. Okay, here we go. These are the shorts. They're very stretchy. Ooh, really stretchy. Another kind of nice set I got is like holidays. For the holidays. So it's just a little tank top that says ho ho. ho. And then some shorts that also says ho ho ho. I feel like I would be able to fit these because they're extra stretchy, So another item I have is this big sweater that says Colorado. I thought this was so cute when I see it online. You could wear this with like you could wear this with like some leggings and some Uggs and just have a comfy day, or you could wear this on wash day. You know, anything. You could dress it up with a vest, dress it up with something. I really think this is cute. Like, I did get a lot of stuff. Okay, the next item I got was this white crop top shirt. Got a collar on it, something like a schoolgirl type of shirt. Got a collar and it's a crop top. The material is really stretchy. And this is how it looks in the front. Looks like this in the back. I think this shirt is so cute. You could dress it up with some cute ripped jeans, some black leather jeans, you know, or whatever. Next item I have is, what is this? Shein do not even tell you what you got, like on the name of the bag. They don't even tell you. They just have everything in there. Oh, these are just some gray leggings that I got that look like they're not stretchy at all. So I don't know if I can fit these. They look very tiny, but I did get a medium in these. Yeah, these might just be going back because they look very tiny. But if I can't fit these, I will be inserting a video showing you guys how they look on me. But from my knowledge, from just looking at them right now, I just don't feel like they will fit. Next item I have is this cute little crop top that says NYC. I did get this in a medium as well. Okay, next item I have is these kind of look big. Some like, supposed to be like jogging pants or like legging jogging pants, something like that, of that nature. So it's supposed to be like jogging pants, but fitted jogging pants, if you get what I'm saying. So this is how they look. I did get these in a medium as well. Everything I got in this haul will basically all be a medium. Next item I have is this brown, what is this? Brown set. It's like, it's a stretchy material. I'm not sure how I feel about it until I try it on, because it feels like, I don't know, I can't describe it. The next item I have is this gray jumpsuit, bodysuit type of thing. It's V-neck and sleeveless. It feels really stretchy. Like I probably should have got a small instead of a medium. Yeah, I definitely got this in a medium. This is how the Shein tag look. And I did get it in a medium, but when I tell you it's so super stretchy, I feel like I definitely should have gotten this in a small. Next item I have is these. These are just some regular random tops, and they are very stretchy. So they're just like some little crop tops you can wear around the house. Comes in white, brown, and black. Okay, so that's all of the like miscellaneous items I have. So now we're gonna move on to a couple pair of jeans that I bought, and then we're gonna move on to outerwear. Bought some hoodies, some vests, some jackets. So we're just gonna see what these jeans is looking like. First pair of jeans I have are these blue plaided pants. These kind of look huge. I did get these in a size large off Shein. I thought these pants were so cute when I seen them. Hopefully when I try these on, I can fit them. They have a little bit of stretch to them, a little bit. So hopefully I can fit these because I do think these are cute. Next pair of jeans I have are these black jeans. I had 2 pairs of black jeans in my cart, and the jeans were both like 2 different type of jeans. So I bought both pairs of black jeans like an idiot to see which one fit me better. So this is the first pair with the rips on the knees, and I did also get these in a large as well. Next item I have is these black leather leggings, and they're super stretchy. So hopefully I can fit these when I try these on. They have 2 pockets in the back, and they are real pockets, not the fake ones. So they are like really stretchy. Next pair of jeans that I have are these black pair. Okay, so these are the other black pair I got, and I'm glad that I got 2 of them because I thought these was gonna be all black, like literally all black, just black. But they're like black whitish. You see what I'm saying? And they look like they're humongous, and they look like they're gonna flare on my ankles. So I'm just not even gonna try these on. I'm just gonna straight send these back because I already don't like these because they're not all black like how I thought they were gonna be. The last pair of jeans I have are, actually, I'm sorry, these are jeans. These are black legging jogging pants, the same exact pants as the gray ones that I showed you guys that I told you had a little stretch to them. It's the same exact pair of pants as the gray ones. Okay, moving on to the outerwear. I have this green-like hoodie. I thought this was so cute because I got me a brown vest, and I feel like this will look really cute under the brown vest. And this is how it looks. It's just plain, and it's like a beige cream color. This is the brown vest right here that I got to go with it. This vest is so cute. Next item I got is this green hoodie, which is exactly the same as the cream one I just showed you guys. I bought that hoodie to go with this black vest. I think this is so freaking cute and have a hood on it. So even if I wear like a crew neck with no hood, I still have a hood on the vest. I love that. This is how the back look. This is how it looks front. Next item I have is this black crop top coat. Don't know how I feel about this yet. I thought it was cute online, but I have to try it on to see how I feel about it. So it looks really cute. Next item I have is this black zip-up hoodie. I got this in a medium and it looks huge. I should have got it in a small. Last hoodie I have is this gray one, which is exactly like the black one I just showed you guys. And this one also looks big. I should have got these in a small. Okay, y'all, I'm down to my last 2 items. Comment down below, let me know if you like any of the items I just showed you guys and tried on previous to my last 2 items that I have. Let me know if you like the colors, the outfits, whatever. Me matching the hoodies with the vest, all that. Comment down below, let me know. Next jacket I have is this white. I don't know how to describe this material, but it's like a white crop top jacket. I thought this was so cute online when I seen it, so I just had to get it. The last but not least thing that I have is this big sheep looking jacket. It's like sheepskin mixed with jean. Okay, let me just show you guys. Okay, y'all, so I definitely did get this jacket in a large. Hopefully it fits. It looked kind of real big, but I think it might still fit though. So this is how it looks. It's like sheepskin. Then I have a navy blue pocket there, and the sleeves are jean. Y'all, comment down below and tell me, do y'all think this jacket is cute or if it's ugly? I thought it was cute when I seen it online. I just thought this was really cute. But let me know what y'all think in the comments. Is it cute or is it ugly? Yeah, so that concludes this haul. I don't even know how many items I got, but it's a whole lot. I can't even remember to count. But this concludes this haul. Comment down below. Let me know if you like the things that I purchased. Also, tell me what's your favorite thing that I showed you guys that I did purchase. Everything I bought will be in the description box below, just in case you guys want to go and check it out for yourselves. I'm kind of upset that the purses are like a little tiny bit off color of the items that I try to match it with, but it's okay. I don't know if I'm going to send the purses back yet or not. I might just keep it and just try to find something to wear with it other than the items that I bought to go with it, or I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back and give y'all some insight on these panties I told you guys I got from Shein. They came in a pack of all new panties, different colors. It's plenty more, but I just wanted to show you guys that these panties do have cotton in the inside. All of the jeans I tried on, I cannot fit. Both black pairs of jeans, the blue pair of jeans, I cannot fit none of those. Those are all going back. I can fit the black leather ones. I showed you guys those. And that's about it. The white cropped shirt with the collar on it, I didn't really like that because it was kind of too tight on my arms, so I'm sending that back. I don't want to be wearing something where I feel uncomfortable, so I'm sending that white shirt back. And I have a lot more stuff in this box. It's going to be getting returned today. I'm about to take it to the post office right now as we speak, as soon as I'm done with this video. Comment down below. Let me know if you like anything that I purchased. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not already. Follow me on my socials, and I will see you guys in the next video.